Welcome back to Paul and Benny. Today we're making one of my favorite childhood dishes, homemade macaroni salad. I know that doesn't sound very exciting, but trust me, when I was a kid, this is all we knew as macaroni salad. Then I got older and went to the grocery stores and realized they meant macaroni with mayo. This is so much better than that. It's rich, yet it's light and refreshing and creamy. It's so good. It's perfect for springtime and summer get-togethers. You know, there's birthdays, there's cookouts, there's 4th of July. It's also great for those summer evenings when it's too hot to cook. You just pull it out of the fridge. It's a complete meal all by itself. So here's how it goes. I hope you love it. All measurements are to taste. Full recipe is below. Don't discard the celery leaves. They're full of flavor. Just a little more. When we were growing up, there was no pepper in this. I typically use red bell pepper now, but I have these in the fridge, and they're super sweet. Yes, the recipe calls for 6 eggs, but I got a little hungry while I was making this. At home, I usually use tuna for the salad, but for parties, I've used baby shrimp and crab together, and it makes an awesome seafood pasta salad. Really elevates this recipe. Let me interject right here. There is a great divide in this world between mayo and non-mayo. Okay, I grew up eating this salad with Miracle Whip, and it's amazing. And I know there are people that hate that. Okay, I grew up and I met Benny, and he loves mayo and can't stand Miracle Whip, but I'm not having that. So I've realized the compromise is amazing. If you put half mayo, half Miracle Whip, it's perfect. I don't want anyone saying, but I don't like, just try it, I promise you. If you can't bring yourself to get Miracle Whip, go ahead and use mayonnaise. You'll notice mine was in a measuring cup. So fill the measuring cup with mayo, add about 2 teaspoons of vinegar, add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and stir it up really, really well. You're all set. You need a little hint of sweet and a little hint of tang to really bring this all together. Trust me on this one. We're adding a little more real mayo to up the creaminess factor. The noodles absorb so much. We're also adding some dried parsley. Fresh would be even better if you had it. Fresh dill would be awesome. Some Old Bay. Use what you like. Just salting to taste here. Yes, it's a lot of pepper and paprika. I'm Hungarian and we use a lot. And here you have it, my delicious childhood favorite macaroni now pasta salad. It is delicious. It's been chilling for about 15 hours. It really needs to chill to live up to its potential, but you can see it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's cool and refreshing. We're gonna give it a try, see what it's like. I know what it's like. Just like I remember. Little bits of crunch from the onion and the celery. The egg and the mayo dressing makes it super just creamy and luscious and luxurious in your mouth. Of course, who doesn't want pasta? It's amazing. The tuna, not at all what you would imagine. If you eat tuna sandwiches, you'll love this. If you're not a big fan of tuna sandwiches, you might still love it because it doesn't translate as like tuna salad. It translates as like a little extra. It's great. I love it. It's perfect for warm weather, and you should make it and share it with a bunch of people you love. We're grateful for a delicious, easy, creamy seashell or macaroni tuna salad, and we're so grateful for you watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos.